Hi, I'm Luigi from 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗞𝗦, and I'm going to teach you how to roll a pair of socks for packing to save you space and reduce wrinkles. Let's roll. Step 1, lay out a pair of socks. Step 2, place one over top of the other. Step 3, take the sock that's on top and fold it down 3 inches, sandwiching it in between the two. Step 4, start rolling the bottom all the way to the top. Step 5, stick your hand in the cuff of the sock that was on the bottom and pull it with the other hand, wrapping it around the socks, creating a beautiful little sock burrito. Woo! You did it! You deserve to look your best when traveling, and now your clothes won't have those hideous creases on them and will look great right out of your bag. At 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗞𝗦, we know packing and pulling suitcases is frustrating. We tell you what and how to pack so you can travel easily with just one bag. Go to 𝗦𝗢𝗟𝗏𝗡𝗏 right now to learn how to pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. Thanks, and happy trails.